In this video, I'm going to show you how to find royalty-free B-roll videos for your videos or your reels or your shorts or whatever it is that you want to use them for. But before we get started, on this channel I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and without any fluff. So if you could take a moment to go below this video and hit the subscribe button, it would really help me out. And with that said, let's get started. So we're going to come over to the website pixabay.com. So it's pixabay.com, and you're going to click into here, into videos on this menu here. Now let's say we're making a video on Vietnam. Okay, so we're just going to type that in there, and we're going to get a number of videos here. These first ones on the list, these are paid. These are actually coming from the website iStock, so we're not going to use these. But the ones that say royalty-free videos are all absolutely free to use, and we can use these as B-roll for a YouTube video, a B-roll for Instagram Reels, or whatever it is that you want to use them for. Now they have hundreds of videos on Vietnam here, but they also have hundreds of videos on all of the different topics that you want to use them for. So it's really fantastic for getting free B-roll images. So highly recommended, pixabay.com, to get these awesome B-roll images for your videos. That's it for me today, guys. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below this video. It would really help me out, and I'll see you inside the next video.